Sunday go. Sunday hot. Sunday go cuckoo. Sunday go hot.
Peter Paul, welcome. Welcome.
Sunday go cuckoo.
Revolutionary greetings too. Majumba, welcome. My brother, makes Amazon agree, that's true. I like their statement. If you pay to do so, I can go die today. I got my property to give you money. Give me something, daddy, I love you. I have so many brothers in America. They will send me money so that I'll give to you. I know, I love you, baby. Give me something so that I'll buy you telephone. Voila. I think we don't enjoy. They brought it down along. We go cut them because most of people don't ever enjoy past my reggae music. Fellow ambassadors, fellow comrades, una good evening wherever una dey. Our female general, welcome on board. Una good evening wherever una dey for the Kingdom of Belgium here at 4 p.m. Amber time. Why for Ground Zero 3 p.m. Amber time. So we go straight to where we get on today for the program. For where we get on today for the show. We get plenty for talk because the last time we gave for come live, but due to one or two I decided not to come. But we don't gather enough, more than enough, to tell our people today. Today we'll first start with what way it don't pass over the week. Over the week, wait till we don't see them. Wait till they go on over the social medias and Ground Zero. We go talk, and today we expatiate. We we try to see how things that unfold. Yes, this one will take me go for first topic of the day or first agenda of the day, where they take me to this senators issues. Past couple of weeks, people that they inside forum them, we will see a link where they send up way our excellency in entourage, in cabinet, they be trying to get a sitting with one of the senator for America, and if you give a link where that link it be permit people to come, you ask question, you participate, so that means no way to it go on for Ambazonia. So the link will be passed, and the program will be a 30-minute program. You know, these people they not too like program where it overstay. So when they be send that link, all man be need to participate for that program. And we don't see videos where our comrade and two they meet up a senate they try to table our issue, make our issue go for the high level. I know say America they get the parliament, after parliament and senate they're the highest body where control America, where they decide at the end. So we don't see a lot of diplomatic move where our the Ambazonian in general, because it being led by the excellency, but Ambazonian in general. But what will baffle me, my brothers and sisters, some people decide to call for stop the move. Now what is that way? He say because I think say all man don't watch that video. All man people they participate for the call. For the Zoom meeting, and it will be very successful because now the diplomatic move in that way where we fight and things. But it baffled me where our own people, where they claim say they will fight for Ambazonian, they call the senator to stop the program, and we even see a communique where a person is right under another person in the wall. So me they stop and very fast, maybe not be too late. Say Dr. Sako no be the president of Ambazonian. Fellow comrades, fellow Ambazonians in the revolution. See, I want to ask these people that they try for sabotage. Say them do and so. If they do and so now they good work that what it benefits them when you do and so, then they stop her, because the first move will get them Capo, what they call Capo Pamela stopper. And you see the people that be stand the coach Capo Pamela. Now that very people see stand today for stop diplomatic move where the internet government they want to come. Now why that way you see some time with this revolution, some people they ask, they call the ask, what will be the state of the revolution now? We now will be activists. We now will be this. Now how will they look the revolution? What is the state of the revolution? Some of who the fear for talk. Because of all this sabotage. Because you don't know who be who now for this revolution. People will decide to call the Senate. And then we hear Epum. We hear Epum to call this Senate. If the ask say he be call he be send an invitation. Why you not attend? They go attend at the other party that invitation. It should say comparison day. Okay, but now more take him who keep what say Dr. Sako no be president for Ambazonia as they claim. Okay, now what he be again? Now, if the Dr. Sako he claims to be a president, if decide now independent comes to you know what embrace him. I want to ask the people the way they try to sabotage say any party where independent come, that means say you go deny you. You go deny you for embrace the independent because he come up with Dr. Sako, he come up with Ayabacho, he come up with this. Or if the independent will come of your come. To be very frank, my brothers and sisters, I tell you something. For me, if Dr. Ayabacho, he decide today, the independent come to we will embrace him. Any Ambazonian where they fight for independence, any Ambazonian they fight for independence, where he know how our people for down the suffer. any level where independent come, we embrace them. But the problem with one institution where is strong, independent become all direction. Okay, now when Ayabacho do the rough work, independence decide will come for you. That means we will see a diplomatic move where it want go, where it will be benefit for Ambazonian. Then we go call for say me stop Ayabacho. Me no go for that diplomatic move before because no you no be president for Ambazonian. Then now you go tell we say we fight for freedom. You go tell we say we will fight for freedom. See, fellow comrades, fellow Ambazonians, it don't come a point where we get to start know who will be who for this revolution. Not be like all man can preach Ambazonian. They follow Ambazonian, one Ambazonian independent. I be telling of the last show say we get category of people, we get Ambazonian people there. They claim say they be Ambazonian. I mean Ambazonian people they claim say they be Ambazonian, but they don't die for Ambazonian one bit, and they don't ever want me the independent succeed. See this issue of this our excellency and Ayabacho on this. No, not the issue now. We talk at hand. We get people that don't bend down. For decide they will destroy the revolution. If we go take Ayabacho, he picture put him. Say he support Ayabacho. When Dr. Sakoka told he coach, he listen Ayabacho the coach. Now the people in that way they need to fight for the freedom. Now the people in that way they get benefit. I don't tell you say plenty people don't do revolution they benefit. They benefit where they don't buy small militias. Give a boy for Grand Zero, they kidnap for ransom. And they are busy that because of it. Some of them don't be for America or Europe for years. They never make them. They never make them. They don't stay for America for years. They never make them. So they don't see Ambazonian revolution like an opportunity for make miracles. Japanese miracle may happen. When that boy they kidnap for down, they didn't ask small money. They didn't ask for small money. They asked millions. And for the length of time where this revolution don't be, some people don't enrich themselves. Diaspora, I talk with diaspora. I didn't talk with Grand Zero, I talk with diaspora. So as well as when the revolution continue, they make gain. And when they see any move, when they can positive move where Ambazonian people, they stand, if they want gain, they will sabotage them. So that means fail. So that the revolution continue for one spot. Yes, so that the revolution continue for one spot. This one, the issue of internet government, the issue of Yerima, the issue of Ayabacho, the issue of this. But my problem is, say, what did you gain when you see a diplomatic move where you know, say, that move, you go benefit the whole Ambazonian. You call for stop. And then, some of we self, they will go clap hands for the person who call. He stop that move. We got clap hand. We say yes, good. Every type of good. You be the real man. One man will control the revolution. Not one day. Now take every type to say the job boy beings with candle. Yes. Any job boy beings with candle. Why? He can't go. He the every type to stand you one. He go. The interim government go stand. Dr. Sako, our president, he go. We all will go, but the institution will stand firm, no shaking. Now, what is that we will fail for no? So the individual will hail it today. Where he go? Now, all that end. But the institution, when any man go, the institution still remain, and generation upon generation, they will move to that institution. Now, what is that we will fail? We will not follow individuals. Tomorrow, anything will happen with that individuals. But the institution will remain. Now, Ayeke die. He don't go, his story end. But the LGA, for the BLM, LGA and the BLM county, he stand still. In name, no loss, he wipe. But if he be there for LGA, they will take care of a family to generation upon generation. That's in that way, we suppose, we start think. We want right or right up. You first think, say, when you do the thing, it benefit you for waiting. It go gain you, it go gain. Because if you gain you, they do one. But if you know gain you, he said they are the detriment of the revolution. Then why you go do them? When you cause our excellency, you cause this, and then why you go to the extent of taking a diplomatic move and then try to stop what we want to do, we go benefit the whole ambassador, even you, where you claim say you fight for freedom. Now one thing that some man be makes a statement say if they give gun for Ayabacho and the internet government, they will first kill themselves before they file a republic. I mean, look, that statement very, very disturbing. But you see, we try for people, they try to move forward. So another people in the way they try to draw people that foot the back. Now, when I see Sobandi asks, what is the diplomatic move? What did it go on? I don't think that the revolution did go on well. It did go on. So, fellow comrades, now what did that will happen over the week? But we don't see that despite what we don't do, but God know the way God is doing it. Anything where God don't put them, as God put the dates, as God fixed them. You like taking a helicopter, you like doing a waiting. You must, the will of God, it must ever prevail. The will of God, you know, if it change them, when God already put them. Some people in the way, some family, they don't go from Kakan Mbamba houses, Juju houses. For tell they say this speaking of ever prosper. He never go one my country. But when God don't talk say you will go. Then the boy beans with candle. No, they just waste their time. They will go for that Juju house will catch fire. They will go from Gambia house, maximum rotation of it. You want God so next day watch the maximum don't die. But God still exists, and that God, that the God of Ambazonian. Anything we want to do, when God only talks and so it will be. When you see, when you just fight this fight for Ambazonian because you will never see the spiritual world for the God. God only ordained the thing, and God, in time there, when that time reach, it will end that time. But I say we will never see that because we're in the physical world. We're in the physical world, you see. But God during there we say God gave time where sometimes don't put a date, and that date where God don't put it ever fail. The date where God don't put it, say this revolution the end. It no fit ever fail. But we will see fight because we don't know our date. So anything will be ordained by God. Anything will be ordained by God. We no ever change them. So if you no want to change the diplomatic move, we start change Ground Zero. Ground Zero send a strong message for 1st of October. We start change Ground Zero and it be very difficult. For big Ground Zero, no be easy thing. For big Ground Zero, no be biscuit. That's why we have this scatter collaboration doing Ground Zero. Yes, collaboration doing Ground Zero. So now they thing that will worry me. I say, man, let our people know say if you do with the revolution, despite any party, whosoever, provided you see anything where it hit fruit, where it go hit fruit, we go move with our step one forward ahead. Be quiet. If you need to support the leader, stay quiet. Me do am. Provided we want independence. Now my own advice that. Then we'll go for. Yes, we go for analyze our president in message. Where send them for collaboration. Where he send them as because people don't send messages. This we don't see the Kondenge Kabai. They send message for collaboration. When before they want to send the message, now Abu Karim become talk about collaboration, or people talk wow, talk blah 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 blah. Now the president for the Kondenge mafia, he send it because the other man for outside now he be vice, they he for inside prison, now he be president. So he don't send his own message for collaboration. And I will give a small message for what our president talk. Our president, he don't talk, and we will analyze that one. Then wait to a partisan talk. We try to analyze them. One thing we will get for first no for this collaboration stuff as our president talk. He say collaboration You know we collaborate within yourself. The interim government, no we collaborate with interim government. We know so we get now one interim government. And the interim government, you know we collaborate with interim government again. Then they say me, I don't here. Then I want to collaborate. I want to collaborate with myself. Collaborate with the interim government. So first thing, I want to get away to a capture of a president where it makes a lot of sense. You need to collaborate now with the external body. To be frank for here, if we will be just, any ambassador will be just. When the man for Konenge be send a letter, first thing, to be an objective ambassador, first thing, I will tell you, say me dissolve the Konenge parallel government informer. Then start apologize cabinet for reconciliation, not for collaboration. Now, I tell you something. Now my own opinion, because I need to impose, I need my impose, but I say my opinion. The way to I see them, the people where if you mention, now external people don't want to be for this collaboration, for this ambassador, this way they don't get the ideology for the internet government. They don't be died for internet government like who, like Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga, Dr. Bo Herbert, Dr. Ayabacho. That three people that were named so. That three people, Akwanga, Dr. Akwanga, Bo Herbert, Ayabacho. Now the three people in that way, we supposed to talk of collaboration because from the beginning, they don't deal with internet government. They say they know what stand for internet government. They get their own objectives. The internet government get their own objectives. Now the way we call now for collaboration, and what term of collaboration will they collaborate? Because collaboration will they collaborate on what grounds? Now who say we collaborate now for diplomacy or now for ground zero? They have the team act. It collaborate for diplomacy, working toward the Swiss initiative. But now one man for all them, you know, for the collaboration. Now Ayabacho and here the Konenge mafia group. Be supposed to write letter. It's supposed to write that letter. Then it dissolve the government. Write that letter. Tell Ayabacho say, brother, you join your own brother for collaboration. If you know under them, join the team act for collaboration. I think I will expect from me. But now, if you start for second write letter, the talk say collaboration. I want to ask you, if you don't talk, he himself, when I mark the word and I follow, if you don't talk, say, he never ever collaborate when the internet government will call for reconciliation. If you say, he never ever collaborate without Barrister Johnson apologizing. I want to actually say, Barrister Johnson don't apologize. No. Then why you call for collaboration when you don't talk, say, you know, fit ever, Konenge man, I talk, Dr. Sissoko Ayok Tabe. If you talk, say, you know, fit ever collaborate until Barrister Johnson, when they be the Becky, that time they be the Becky. Yes, I know if they be the Becky, say no one day, and the audio day, everything, they record it. We say no one day until this man apologize, and everything where Barrister Johnson be talk, it come to pass. Who now go apologize for a friend? Ye the Sissoko give a car apologize to the ambassador people, dissolve the government former, then we start fight collaboration of the Ayabacho because the other party, they already be, they collaborate with the team act. Because we don't know another party again. They will not get two internet government. That Yerima stuff, he aim for here again. And I want to tell you, one wise saying way, me to look at the issue way, right hand. When they be sit there for inside Konenge, when they do that appeal stop them, that way we still get the right. See, so mafia play away, the mafia fail. The mafia fail. When Ibuan go, when Ibuan go, for go mutual la Republic, they say they want negotiate. We say they say they be call he. They say they want negotiate. If be call who them, if be call the other party for get their own views before they want go for negotiation. Maybe ask something in the way. Maybe ask some question them for ourselves. Me, I need dynamic collaboration because any man where 1 minute revolution succeeds, we must collaborate. we must collaborate. But we must know what time to collaborate, who to collaborate. Because any man, I'm saying, any man of you woke up, don't you make a noise. Then they say, no, if that man not there, things will not work. Ambassador now 8 million people. Now 8 million people hold Ambassador. So one man of you woke up, just say if he no there, he no go work. Now that talk in that way, we no want catch her because now that talk in that way, since for all the Pope, we start ask question. People they ask question. If you Pope no there, who go rule? Now that question that way they kill the black man. Where we saw one man who hold power, they start looking like semi-god. Now the thing that way the key black man say we say one man who hold power. We say the people will down they look like semi-god. So they start asking question say if you not there, who go rule? If you that way you not be there, who be there? So my brothers and sisters, this issue of collaboration, I tell the Konenge IG to be dissolved. And then we get one IG, then we talk collaboration, reconciliation, all will come together. We say, my brother, this way we do also, forgive me. I know we know. This one, now reconciliation they come. When don't dissolve the Konenge IG, we call all the Mila Atam, everybody joining the inter-government the rule now. They should have one platform. Now, Ambazonian people. Now, all we do is a Zoom meeting with the year, all that talking, not that meet where they go hold of outside it. When they don't this other one, they come for reconciliation. Any man talk grievances, any man talk say this, the man talk say this, the man talk say this. Okay, we say, okay, now we be sorry, we throw it that one them. Then now we come now as one people for reconcile now as for being the one people. That in that way, Ambazonian need them. We don't need collaboration. For collaboration within the inter-government collaborate. Let me say, we don't say the other inter-government go collaborate with the other inter-government. No. Enough you work. Inter-government collaborate with the other inter-government. Let me say, you want to form the other inter-government because say, me build the other party where go to disturb the other one so that you can be now, you can be a body now. Let me say, your own group. No, we never create group. Yes, I like people that are they don't stand from day one. They stand for day one. Akwanga stand for day one. Bohebe stand for day one. But when you don't be within, they go create another parallel. This is me to collaborate. You know go work. You know if you work. So my brothers and sisters, fellow comrades, we need now reconciliation. Cancel all our differences, our grievances. We say we'll be sorry. We move forward. And that one, we want them. We move forward. Then I want to tell you something. This reconciliation, when diaspora not do am, Ground Zero go do am. Our Ground Zero do am, we no one can hear back again. Because we know the hear back again. When Ground Zero reconcile, it be one body, their business end. So they tell people that they think they draw that food they go back. Say the internal government will do all it can take, everything for systemic Ground Zero, reconcile, collaborate, do everything. Now Ground Zero be what be what priority, now be what pride, because now that people they die. If that people can like discover the politics of diaspora. Discover the politics of diaspora. They say no, they stand under the LGAs. And they stand under the LGAs. All this business of collaboration, reconciliation, this is now people go now you still go take yourself, you can't join your LGA. So we go to do everything in our capacity. We say me na Ground Zero. Reconcile, collaborate, do everything, be like one person. Like diaspora when I scatter. They were Ground Zero, they fine. The revision they on track. So now the issue that we are saying, man, talk about people with collaboration. Then we go to the killing of Sama Martin. Fellow comrades, fellow ambassadors, we now don't see over the week where with the one of our part where they kill for Batibo Ambo village. When they be send me that picture, they buy Pekin. He send me the picture, he send me every details. Why way it happen so? I be silence. I say man no fit talk because when something happen, no first rush, no first be a first man for can post, no can be a first man for can talk, and then later on, you want go investigate, the show say, na so it be happen, na so it be happen. That means you make your talk where you talk, you not be credible. I be quiet. I say man investigate, calm. But after all investigation, it show say na ADF the key that part. I be quiet. I think say their boss you can't make a statement because I think say sometimes if they also call for reconciliation, collaboration, if you come for air like the boss, he say he be sorry for the death of that part, then any perpetrators they will bring it to book. But I never see the statement. I never watch any one of them. That one, it didn't make me no say this ADF of a stuff because when one talk about ADF, some people say every time about ADF, every time about ADF, every time about ADF. This one call the family back home. Me they tell you what will happen. This one, that part, me they call for back home. Any man with one doubt, why a restoration fighter he go take gun kill a pa? Even that pa commit which kind of crime? You go take gun, you kill a keeper, and the worst of it, na Batibo Pikin they do the act. The worst of it, na Batibo Pikin they do the act. And see, my dear Ambassador people, frankly, all these boys that they perpetrating and they don't go free. They don't want you to see the glory of this victory. Now, mark my words. All the ADF boys that they do this act, not only ADF, if any restoration fighter, when you take gun, you don't kill innocent soul. Because say you know say the whole gun you be superior. You be King Kong. No one of them will go free. They don't see this freedom. They don't see the freedom of Ambassador where they claim to the fight. Any picky way kill, where link to Pasama, he die. You know go see good for the rest of his generation. Any picking, any guy, ADF, where he get link with the death of Pasama, your generation to generation will suffer. And any battle where everything for go, now you will be first man for 4. Yes. Because the family now they cry with sorrows. The family they share tears. They rejoice. But that tears when the family they share them, not tears of victory, not tears of vengeance. Not tears where we go pay back. We don't kill. No man now no arrest una the ADF them. No man no get the audacity, the powers for arrest una bring una to book. Una be King Kong now, una hold gun. But una remember the God of the land, the God of Ambazonian. He go fight justice. He go fight for the innocent power una kill it. Una call pa say pa they do community work. Say pa don't go can do community work. Pa tell una say he never even and pa nowhere. The day when they kill that pa, the day when pa go get to go Bamenda for a medication. The day when they kill pa. Una see the way the family cry. And the family know the atrocities. Una don't kill the pa. Una decide to kill the whole family. Because they will find una. We will find una. We go see. I want to talk for this ADF. They for Batibo. Una feel listening. Una listening good. ADF for Batibo. We know una faces. We know una names. We know una family. I want to talk for ADFs. ADF for Batibo. ADF for Batibo. We know una names, una faces, una family, everything. See, this revolution will end. And you know, if you are end, we don't succeed now. We not just give a time. We not just give mark time. I want to talk about ADF for Batibo. We not worry Batibo enough. We not worry Batibo ADF. We not worry Batibo enough. But we not just keep on the mark the time. Time the come for we have to pay back. Why will we talk this one? Me all ambassador the whole world listening. Me they know. So we'll get to a gang of thieves in the name of fighters for Batibo. When any carnage, because when Batibo people want revenge, when Batibo people want revenge, because we don't take more than enough for ADF in hand. We don't take more than enough for ADF in hand. But I don't tell when I say the power when I kill you, when I don't get peace for our life. When I don't need touch them, but when I don't touch the wrong, when I don't get peace on our life till when our next generation and the people that give the powers to execute that act, them to know get rest for diaspora. That people that give the powers for execute that act for diaspora, they don't get rest. They don't get rest. Nothing say why my country are the highest place where we get comfortable zone. People we get mad people. We get people that they don't craze. Plenty for why my country. We get people that don't craze. They go off for why my country. We don't think say craze people don't do why my country. All people need to go off for why my country. But I tell this one for ADF. Say we don't do more than enough for Batibo people. We don't do more than enough, and the problem I say that they use only una for kill una papa. They use only you for go kill your papa, your friend, or kill your papa, your family. Yes. But I be tell una say, if you know the Batibo, una be very careful. What we do General Ivo, we go start doing una one by one. What we do General Ayeke, we go start doing una one after another. Now my what? That we are the gang with ADF for the atrocities. We now keep on do them, catch part the killer one after another. We now start catch part the killer. We now be killing Chief Follow Igwe for Krugbe Ipikin. The princess. We now kill them. People they talk wow. They talk they be quiet. We now not say go. We now don't start again. We now go on. We now go on. Now what that I don't tell them. So we will go now for our king, Free Marshal in message. Where is for the people of Ambazonian? We are listening very well. Let's see.
Ambazonia people.
Now Free Marshal is the king of Ambazonian.
Ambazonia. FMA. It don't be a long time. We want to never hear me. Are they inside month of October? October 16, where they send this message for one. And I will first of all appreciate all my colleagues, the generals, inside Ambazonia land. For what we wanna do for the 1st October. I don't see how what we wanna do. And I'll be happy. I say we flag, we colors for we flag a day up. I say when a cafe a day up. I give 100 gun salute for all the generals and the commanders and all the defense force for Ambazonia. Now me see Masha FMA at the pass one of this message. Now this congratulations what they give them, and they go for the whole Ambazonia force. And the only small advice we are going to give one and I say, make all the force where they for inside Ambazonia land. Me wanna join all wanna county head. Wanna join wanna county.
Now, Field Marshal talk so.
AGA. We will stand as we stand for this 1st October. Think them to go work and fine. The reason why they told me wanna join now because any force were there for inside Ambazonian. If you know they're under your AGA, when your security council they control you, your AGA they control you, you go stand, you die, your cough and your family they go lost. Because those people them there for white man country. Whether they buy gun them, buy stick them, give them for some of we, for corrupt we, send money for we, for corrupt we. When I don't see what will happen for Ayeke. I doubt what people will be corrupt Ayeke. Move on for inside Red Dragon. I don't know what way they go talk now. I know we just talk anything concern that one. But what way I get pain inside my heart. Now because Ayeke, even the work I find for inside Red Dragon, you can't move fee. Corrupt you with money, but I don't give them for you. But who say they? They don't still turn back. Now the same people, because they work the Republic government. Now the same people who they buy gun them again for Yeke. All them there for America, they're there for Europe. You don't feel hear their mob again now. Ayeke don't die. Of course, they don't succeed for what you they find them for you. I still not begin sense for understand. I don't ever talk say, when you want come water flop, you want enter inside that water, check before you enter for inside. Ambazonia people, Ambazonia generals, Ambazonia force, me Field Marshal the king at the top. I love one all, and I love my government. I love the interim government. But there was some small story. I hear some people don't say Field Marshal there for Nigeria. So when them don't say there for Philippines, if they say don't fly, not there for the BLM. Now, the two truck where I destroy, we Red Dragon destroy for our law. Field Marshal not be there who they give command for saying the war go on. And then I continue for talk for Pobia. Yawande. I been call you last time for January, payday. They think hold them. Say I don't call them payday. Of course, Pobia people. You general them. And you minister them. You director them. They were nothing for their last. Now, Field Marshal there for inside the BLM. For take Kelebe. For take Pobia people, them saying that me self. Field Marshal of Ambazonia at the top. My tell when I something Ambazonia people. The war there for inside. May the war go reach 50 years. If you reach 50 years, independent never come. The war will continue. Ambazonia first, you know, go tire. Yes. I like what Ambazonia put them do for this October. I like what they do. I salute all my mamidem, all my pardon.
Okay, now listen, now the king, he don't talk so. Wait where I get out that speech, that is salute, we salute all the Ambazonian people, the message. Now say, one thing I don't talk before, Ayeke die. Now Ayeke die, make him move this audio. He say, some people do diaspora, they buy guns, give them for convince them with money, and we don't listen. Now he talk so. And then he talk again say, even this war been at 50 years, they be determined for fight. Now two things that way, I get them. So I want to tell you when I say, Ayeke he die. When I want to talk so when I want to see our great heroes and die for this revolution. I want to tell Ambazonian people when I take critical look, when I listen how we don't lost great heroes for this revolution. General I will be the fight. Where if the fight for Manfe, come on Manfe can fight for Batibo, come on Batibo go take care for Kumba. General I will be the fight in the name of Ambazonian. General Ivo be the fight in the name of Ambassador. But when diaspora can corrupt he, when diaspora can corrupt he, money enter. He stay money for a mob change, he character change. What he do? He die. He die. General Amigo, where be the fight? Yeah, Areke. They are very good. They are brothers and two brothers. Them. What happened? Diaspora enter in. Bring Chakara within them. What happened? Amigo die. General Biebie for Batibo and Tiger. What happened with them? What happened? When they be fight under Ivo, they be fight like one people. What happened? Diaspora can bring Chakara among them. Found them. Big number. Diaspora come in. What happened? We lost fight at the Batibo. General Ebobe. What happened? Diaspora come in. General Divine will be the fight. Brave fighters. When they start this fight for Kwakwa, what happened? They start the fight. They start this fight. Now they start the fight with General Spirit where they life. Where day to day General Spirit is day. And they start the fight. What happened? Diaspora money enter. Divine start kidnap people for ransom. Taking this. What happened? No be diaspora. Look at the key General Divine. He died. General Arike. Ayeke. If the fight will die for Red Dragon. What happened? Diaspora. They enter inside. Chakara ya free Masha. Tell how he be military man. He be well trained. Me deflect for free Masha. Tell how Christian only support free Masha. Christian only do this. We enter inside. Bet Ayeke. But diaspora, they don't do anything. They don't convince the brain. What happened? He fall. Many of them there. Many of them there they don't die. Now because of brave fighters. Now because of it. Diaspora. They enter inside the business. Diaspora. They enter inside the business. What happened? All them they lost their life. They lost their life. Now they see the infiltrators of diaspora, the work of diaspora for this revolution. Now they see the work of diaspora for the revolution. We don't lost brave fighters. So, fellow comrades, fellow ambassadors, we don't lost brave fighters because of diaspora. We don't want lost more fighters again. So any man when the fight with Ground Zero, now listen to me. Any fighter when the fight for Ground Zero, if you lie your life, if you want witness the victory, if you want witness, if you want rip your labor, we don't labor, go for your LGE. Identify your LGE. You go fight for them. If you don't fight your LGA, if you be a brave fighter, they will stand fire for another LGE. You still go fight. Fight under institution. Fight under institution. People will control now. When I hear free Masha talk, I don't die. Now the diaspora don't be silenced. They never move a communique. For sure, they go take care for Ayeke Pekin. They will take care for Ayeke family. But Ayeke die, his story end. General Ivo be die, his story end. Even Ivo family, if he dying, they don't get him for Ivo family. General Ivo get Pekin. The woman is suffer now. But tell me, say we be them have LGA because LGA they take care for girls away, fighters away. They don't die. Their family, they LGA they take care with the same top. they take care, and they sponsor to one they are picking for school. But these people, they no honor you. You want to fight. As you fight, you fall. Your story end. Free marshal don't talk. Someone when we say, you know, they don't tell when I say, you don't hear that when I talk them. When I want me show face. Free marshal, they fight under institution. And you take instruction from the LGA. The LGA, they tell you what you do. No show your face. No come for 1st of October. Do this in listing. But you, when you fight under individual say, me make video. Send up for you. For show gun the way you hold them. For show this. For show this. That's why I live shot. Because that individual want to take you for make money. That individual want to take you for make riches. Now why that way you go insist? Me send you a video. Me take a show on Facebook. They make money. Raise money. A word to a wise is enough. We'll go for breaking news, hot news. We get intelligence from La Republic. This one I want to talk any fighter will be show your face. Any fighter will be show your face. For 1st of October, generals, all any man will fight for the sake of ambassador, a good fight. Any man will be show his face for the 1st of October. I get a message now. I get a message. Very reliable source. Not that one not be na say reliable source. All names. It there for La Republic archives and our faces, and especially the generals. They don't put the generals their face in accordance, and then they don't draw a plan for the take them one after another. They don't draw a plan. All generals, ambassador generals, the way we name them for the revolution. We are there for their plan, their faces and everything. La Republic, the plan for starting one after another. They say that the way when I mean I will execute the plan, I mean others people will come out from above. All that they come out from above, they will start. So now what I want to tell our fighters. We have to fight in guerrilla warfare. We have to fight for bush and fight for town. Fighters, when they want to execute the plan, nothing say they will only conquer ambush when I come. Nothing say they will only conquer ambush when I come. Black leg the day they will give information. Play with the day. Play with the ever catch up every day. Road with the pass every day. Play with the go wash every day. Play with the go drink me every day. Your girlfriend he plays. I talk this one with fighters. Fighters. Play with you go chop every day. Play with you go wash every day. Play with you go drink every day. Your girlfriend, they will know you. And they will use your girlfriend. They will use black leg. This time around, we give abstain ourselves plenty to them. We give for being vigilant. I mean, talk fighters, brave fighters. From Kumba to Ndonga Mantu. All them, General, no pity. All them, na send this strong message. Me they stop women. If you go wash your water every day, or in the pass of road every day, change road. Then una will be mobile cam. Una cam they will be mobile. Just mobile cam. Because La Republic is the way they order. And if the talk say they will start telling one after another, me say they don't get intelligence for people that they will start saying una. Because we don't need proof of La Republic beyond reasonable doubt say they don't defeat we physically, so we gone. And they will sponsor people, diaspora and ground zero. They will sponsor them for show now play on a day. They will catch you a rat. They will catch you. You will regret. They will hold you so. When you don't even get nowhere to breathe. That means you want surprise. They don't take one of your hand. Brave fighter don't die so. When I keep thing. I don't say plenty fighter and they don't take them and take them. Either you go take with your girlfriend in place. Either you take you to play with the drink. Either you take you to play with your mama. Even your mommy die. No pass to that die. Even lost now who? No pass. No pass. Even lost now who? No pass. Even your picking. Even your picking born your woman, he die. No pass. That's why the key our brave general of Mato. Where one go see a woman. So we will be very vigilant for now. So any fighter will show your face. When are they inside, they don't display our PowerPoint. The friend tell me say he will find always send up for me. You go see I don't display our PowerPoint. Their location that this, general this. So they will take the one after another. So our fighters, our brave fighters, this fight now guerrilla warfare. Now stay inside bush. Forget about town. Inside bush. But before the one come inside bush, come out inside the forest, they will day. It means they mean business. They will take for quarter one after another for quarter, especially quarter. So because sell out the day for diaspora and grandson already one when they will sell when they pick on the they will pick on the foul. They will pick on the foul. Now why they see no stress? When I see the key Ayeki been a sell out. When I see him, Ayeki been a sell out. We recall Dio the make call the detract. The detract. Okay, we don't talk that one. We don't hear. And then now we'll go for the Brazzaville. We still get intelligence where they come for. We say La République. They don't decide to sell Brazzaville for Kumba. Product for Kumba. And that Brazzaville product, they don't decide say they need what I do retail. They need what I do retail. What they do now say you can't buy for depot. And when you get all intelligence, say all the people that inside that magazine they work now be them. Now be they inside Brazzaville for Kumba. For opposite guy. Now they serve with it. We don't get all intelligence, everything. Now be the serve inside Brazzaville for Kumba. But one send a strong message for people that think say when I think buy Brazzaville for quarter. Be the day inside Brazzaville for Fiango, they know the inside quarter. This one a strong message for people that they think say I don't listen one their names there for here. Brazzaville for Fiango and be the day inside the depot. They know they now for quarter. Any man will catch it. Any man will catch it because we know what we want to do. They don't tell me plenty, no. Yes, anybody now they say, brother, they say, oh, now be they catch them, they drink. For say, if we are fighting the one come, they be they come there and CV. They can't drink, they don't mean say, if you fight a come, be they can't drink for day. But we know that big man will sleep in your house. That big man will they tell you one go toilet. That big man will they tell you one cook chop. That big man will they tell you one go market go buy. I want to tell people they say Brazzaville for Kumba, I know the way Kumba operate. You know Kumba very well. You know Kumba very well. If you want pick for Kumba, you know survive. People they think so if you say Brazzaville. If they want pick you for Kumba, you know survive. If you mean of your back, say one take you when you say Brazzaville, you know survive. Yes. Because get all where will take you. Especially you don't deserve your house and build your cast around your house. You stay with your house, you know if you come go buy your house. So now I warn you, I give people that they think say they will breach that law, contraband for Brazzaville for Kumba. So we'll get a plan for now. But we'll not reveal the plan here. We'll get a plan for now. Now just a small message that we get out for them. Then we'll go for this issue where we see this asylum seekers away. We hear say America will use a drastic measure for send some asylum seekers where they be seek refuge to America, and we get information says some of them their document will be invalid. My message where I want just give them, it be so aching and so bad. For say you go don't struggle, so they leave the barbaric regime Cameroon, for go with refuge, for go with greener pasture, you just spend, then they send you back. So sad. That one are bad news. But I want to tell our ambassador people, citizens, when they think say if you take refuge for any asylum, one thing first day, like our asylum seekers, you must know the history of where we come out. See, I want to tell you something. So people don't even know the history of Ambazonian. They ask the history, they baffle. Because you know, we go for America, they ask you say, who say you come out? You say you become Ambazonian. They ask you say, what is the meaning of 1st of October? You don't know. They ask you say, you be Ambazonian. I say yes. How many stars? Ambazonian flag that you don't know. They say, wow, this man Ambazonian, you say you be Ambazonian. Why you know even to say be La Republic? You start put your statement when you be Ambazonian. Think they do Ambazonian history, you must know him. As an Ambazonian, you must know, if you don't know the national anthem, baby, you must know the concept with the national anthem. You know, say Ambazonian a flag, you get how many which color? Ambazonian flag, you get how many stars? That stars they represent what is the significance for that stars? What is the dove? Where you carry peace plan, it means what? All those things that people know. Some of them don't go back for, they don't know. Now whatever Donald Trump say na scammers. Say most of them are scammers. Say they use passport. They say some of them want use the pretext say Ambassador against war. La Republican plenty and their accent too. Their accent too is speak. So now the basic thing that way we will supposed to know them. When you call yourself say you be Ambazonian, because you know we talk say Cameroon, you don't know the color of Cameroon. You don't know say Cameroon get how many star. The star then on top which this thing. They actually Cameroon get which how many regions. You don't know. They say be Cameroonian. You don't be Cameroonian. Now the basic thing is that when they do action that fair because not that the fact say you fit take a document show and say you be Ambazonian or because some of them they change names. Right name, Ambazonian name them. A song, big song, Tabe, this, Mba, this. So that don't work document them for pay bring them. But that people they deal with psychologists. They deal with psychologists. They don't ask you one question. They don't say document yes. They don't ask you one question. You be Ambazonian, yes. Who be the president now for Ambazonian? You don't know. You be Ambazonian, yes. Ambazonian flag get ministers, you don't know. You say no, you don't know. You be Ambazonian, yes. What is studies revolution? You say no. You say teachers and lawyers, you don't know. So that's sort of the basic thing that way we will supposed to know them. Because I tell you now, what way they go on? La Republic that they use one names them for chop asylum. And now they spoil the soup. So we give a be very vigilant. You want to be Ambazonian, you be, you know, and be 11. You want to be Ambazonian, you be, you know, and be 11. Yes, because La Republic that is used, that they use one names. They plenty. Even with Belgium here, don't do them. I know them. They use what story. But you will go, you don't even know. Now you, like Ambazonian, you're supposed to even make yourself, you'll call that man, take the document back. Because you tell the history, you tell that man, in lie, you restate the rich history, because they check all those things there. Some of you now don't stay with Douala, for all the pop never ever pass over Bamenda, or never ever pass over Kumba Road, Tico, Victoria. You don't even know how they ask you questions related to that one. You just confused. That should be La République. All your life, you stay on La République. So tell the accent, say the pidgin, say they ask you, you don't even know, you know nothing. So the advice that, where are the advice, any man, either you be ambassador, you know or you don't know. Because someone will not look, someone will not look at this ambassador flag, the taboo. When I see the ambassador flag, the taboo. When I see the revolution, like a hindrance. When I see the revolution, say, now this, but that very revolution, no one take a benefit in a future life. Yes, you want to use this very revolution for benefit your future life, your generation. But you know one pay, you know one sacrifice, you know one join them. People they die with them. The law of karma day. The law of karma is day. They pay you too. They pay. So any man, because people in the way they don't benefit, and they with that, people in the way, they don't take this revolution, ambassador revolution, benefit, asylum this from time of NCNC can reach now. Plenty, if I want to tell now, especially America, plenty diaspora for America, other NCNC. Where I mean that all people, plenty old people of America, other NCNC or this. I say, how did they pay back? Time don't come to pay back for where you take them. They don't want to pay back. And then they start to say, that was our revolution, that was our revolution. But if you go tap in history, now the revolution, this story, you get to get them. But now you don't come to pay back. When you give $5, you know, support prisoners or refugees or boys of Ground Zero, you know they. But the law of karma they pay. So I go any year, we say we get to know our history. Wherever you go, you get to know your history. Master your history. Yes, you need master your history and go wrong. You master your history and go positive aspect. Thank you for watching.